we have been away for quite a while. I think it's been since the new year, and we're already 4 months into the year that we have not vlogged. Our last vlog, I think, was supposed to be when we went to New Mexico. And just the other day, we were looking for that video because we did vlog the entire trip. And we lost all that footage. So from that trip, all I have is stuff that's on my phone. But anyways, we have been away for such a long time. It's already been like 4 months into the year that I have not uploaded. And I have been getting a lot of questions as to where we're at and what we're doing and stuff like that. But we haven't been doing much. Grecia is enjoying first grade. The school year's almost over, basically.
I'm almost gonna be in 2nd grade.
She's almost gonna go to 2nd grade, which is freaking insane because when did she get so big? I'm still working, Bert's still doing his thing, and it's just been crazy hectic. I guess Grecia just started doing softball, so we've been busy in the evenings with that. So we've been super crazy busy these past couple months. I've been getting a lot of messages like, where are you guys? Is everything okay? You never like vlogged anymore. And I stopped because, well,
we're busy pickles. You know
we're busy pickles, yes. But if you guys remember, he bought me a brand new Mac computer, whatever. He bought me a like brand new computer last year. And he kind of took over it. He was really busy with the county fair. He did film like the whole Queens contest, county fair thing, and that just takes a lot of like work and time goes into prepping for all of that. So my computer was being used like 24/7. He was taking it to the studio. It was never home. So that is why I felt like I couldn't be vlogging, because what was I gonna edit on? But now that all of that is over, he's like, you could start vlogging again and you can use your computer. So
here we are.
So today, I know I'm barely starting this video. It's 4:50 in the afternoon, but we did go to work and school. We did pick her up from school. I'm just gonna do like a little voiceover over our first part of the day, I guess. We ended up dropping her off at school here, as you guys can see. She usually always tells me like she'll send me like a little wave, a goodbye, and a little kiss, but today she decided not to do that.
What do you mean?
You didn't go like that this morning? You didn't give me a besito?
Like that?
Yes, when you were walking inside the school. And then I ended up getting to work. I always put my water in the fridge because I take a gallon of water with me every day to work, and that's what I drink throughout the day. I turn off the machine. If it's beeping, I have to turn on the compressor. Sometimes that's outside so that the machines can start working so that we can sew. And then I am gonna show you guys that I was sewing a little bit. I was finishing up some pump covers before I left, and then we were also closing off some bras that were going to be sent over to the studio, which is right next door from the warehouse that I work at. But after that, Bert picked me up at lunchtime, and we ended up going to pick up Grecia from school, and we just went home real quick. She did a little outfit change just so that she could be comfy, and then we ended up driving 3 hours to San Antonio because Bert has some work here that he has to come do today, and we're currently just waiting for him outside. He did say we could go inside, but I did want to do like a little intro because for some reason I got shy like recording in front of him again. I guess because I haven't done it in such a long time, it's weird to like do it again, and I don't know, I couldn't. So I was just like vlogging, but I wasn't talking. So that is why like there's a voiceover in the first part. But hopefully now I'll feel better and I'm able to talk to the camera in front of him. But Grecia has also been asking us when we're gonna vlog and stuff because she's just gotten so big. And
look at me. When the last time you guys saw me, I was already this tall. Ow. I hit my head now.
Yeah.
I had to bend over.
She's gotten so big, and I feel like we've just lost 2 years of not showing like everything that she does and how beautiful she is.
Tutorial.
Yeah, he's doing some photos for the car emblems and bumper stickers real quick. There's not a lot of them, so it shouldn't take too long. Okay. Oh, okay. It's still low time. Yeah.
I'm gonna show you.
What up? ¿Cómo están todos? How's it going? Let's see if some people log on because nombre sí son pinche de madre, güey. Así
Can I record
Hello, Patty Cake. Hey, Nancy. Hey, Delfina. Hello, T-Top. Oh, I like have like 1,030 freaking questions for you. Porque no entendí nada lo que está pasando. I just know I need. Hello, Chris. Hey, Kim. ¿Cómo están? How are y'all doing? How's it going? What's going on? ¿Qué está pasando? ¿Qué onda con
That's where he's hot
There's
backwards.
a Facebook Live going on right now, and they're about to start the podcast, and Bert's outside recording them putting some car emblems on his wife's Jeep and some stickers and some photos. So she's gonna go show you guys all of that.
He's wearing his cap backwards, Daddy. Back here, guys. Here is like all the snacks and stuff. And then there's like keychains. Oh my god, I really want this one. And then there's all those keychains, those Snickers and stuff. Caps, that thing off fireplace. That Hello Kitty keychain. That's how the
came to her car was broke down. She did it off the bank, so the
and then that little
sent her money, and they sure did.
and then this pink one, purple, but it's supposed to be a violet.
Yeah, so not too many people know about our pickle.
Do you want to get it out there?
Yeah, because I have boxes and boxes of
Really?
them. Yeah, we sell them, but not as fast as I sell the Alamo candy pickle.
I know those are super popular in
Those
Laredo.
are always. And this one, like this one, I think is more. That one's more juicier. This one's more like a regular pickle, I think, like the flavor. So.
Oh my god. That's so cool. I've seen so many people like going crazy looking for that.
Yeah, we had his cousin went and picked us some up in Mexico. So those I've been able to put on TikTok. And I finally found the peanut butter, but it was talking about too.
That's peanut butter?
The mazapan peanut butter.
Wow.
I need that one.
That's so cool. And how much do you sell these packs for?
This one, Mom.
They're $10 to $20 depending what's in them. Like the
Okay.
basic one is just pickle, Takis, 2 candies, your sprinkles, and your Lucas. But then we add all kind of other stuff in there, so it just depends on which one you get.
Okay.
Yeah, here, you can have this one. Nice. It's got your 2 pickles and everything in there.
Thank you so much.
Yeah?
Are you gonna eat this
Want
one?
the band?
Yeah. We're in line to get Chick-fil-A.
Oh, they got ice cream?
Yeah. So, tell them what you were doing.
It's working. You didn't record anything in there?
Grecia did. Grecia gave them a whole freaking tour of the whole place. Ah, ya no me miro. Do you think this has battery?
Yeah.
Oh. How do I lower it?
You're making it brighter.
Oh my god.
That's the lowest.
Jesus Christ. It's freaking bright. You guys, I got a pickle kit. But she gave me 2 pickles. My mouth is getting watery. I don't know if this isn't just like a South Texas thing, right?
I don't know. I have to ask them.
So
For the people in San Antonio,
yeah, I think, I don't know where it started, but basically like South Texas, pickle kits became a huge hit maybe like a year ago, 2 years ago.
probably in the valley, because they just try everything over there.
Yeah, like the valley's crazy with like little stuff that has picosito and stuff, like candies, chilito. And this one is their pickle, so it's called La Chingona.
Uh-huh.
That's what it's called, La Chingona. So it's like a cherry pickle, and I'm so excited to try it. Yeah, baby. We're gonna drive home. I do have to go to work tomorrow, and Grecia has school. The straws. Bert has to edit what he just did right now, but we got the fries,
And finish everything else.
ketchup, and we are on our way home. But I don't know if I will film the pickle tomorrow, which is Friday, which will probably be tomorrow because I have to do makeup Saturday. But like I told you guys, I'm going to try to vlog Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
I am, but that's besides the point. Stay tuned if you want to see me eat this.
Hi guys, so we're back and we're getting the pickle. So we got Stockies. I already ate 1 bag because I couldn't help it. A squinkless, a fruit roll up, another fruit roll up, squinkless, some more, 2 fruit roll ups, and chilito. Okay, so yeah, that one. So Mom, you're gonna open that one.
You want to do half and half?
Yeah, that's right. Okay, we're doing this one together. Okay.
I'm gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna take out the center.
The centi, so we can put the dackies.
Stuff inside it.
Yeah. You hope you know.
Okay, ready?
Wait, girl.
You can have that.
Have what?
I'm going to
The
wrap
fruit roll-ups?
this,
Yeah. Yay.
and then I'm going to wrap the fruit roll up as well to close it. Oh shit. Like that. And then we're going to grab a
I want to
squinkless.
help. I want to do our part. Please.
Let's put them in here. She's gonna add Takis. What are y'all doing?
Playing with my fan.
What's the mist?
The fan.
Oh.
Water and it missed you.
Then I'm gonna put the chilito powder.
Wee.
That's a lot. And then
I want to
some.
do that. How do you squeeze? Do you just squeeze it?
Oh, like this.
I don't want to eat it. It's like a big old bite. Oh, you love me with the center. Oh no. Can you do it again with this one?
Bite it.
And then can I have the rest of the stuff that's left over? I want to eat it.
Mom, take a bite.
No, man.
Sí,
Thank
sí.
you.
Take a bite.
Take a bite. Ask your sister then. Nina, take a bite.
Es muy agrio.
Take a bite. It's a, what's it called?
Pica.
Sí. No.
Mm-mm.
Takis there. Put Taki
No,
nombre.
not the Takis.
Huh? It's good?
Hey, why is my botella crooked?
Grandma, look, they're watching you right now. Grandma, they're watching you.
It's good.
They were watching you, Grandma.
You want to try it, Tilly?
Yes,
Take a
try
bite.
it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Here.
Lo que es de
Wrap,
peco
wait, wrap it around because you.
es muy agrio.
Put some because there's no more. Oh, yeah. There it is.